How to wire headlights directly to battery. If you're like most people, you probably think that your car battery automatically powers your headlights. This will allow you to manually turn the headlights on and off. Why should you wire headlights directly to battery? Finally, wiring your headlights directly to the battery can give you more control when they're turned on and off. How to wire headlights directly to battery step-by-step guide. Step 1. Disconnect the battery. This ensures that there is no power running through the system while you are working. Step 2. Remove the headlight assembly. Once the headlight assembly is removed, disconnect the wires that connect it to the car's electrical system. Step 3. Cut the wiring harness. This will give you two pieces of wire to work with, one that leads to the headlights and one that leads back to the car's electrical system. Step 4. Splice the wires together. Ensure that the wires are securely connected, not to come apart while working. Step 5. Connect the negative wire. Connect the negative wire to the negative terminal on the battery. Step 6. Connect the positive wire. Again, use electrical tape or connectors to secure the wire in place. Step 7. Test your work. You have successfully wired your headlights directly to the battery. Step 8. Get help from a professional. If you're still having trouble or feel more comfortable having a professional do the work for you, consider taking your car to a mechanic or an auto shop. Troubleshooting. How to remove the headlight housing. The headlight housing on your car is responsible for protecting your headlight bulbs from debris and damage. Can you wire headlights straight to battery? While it's true that you can wire headlights directly to the battery, doing so can strain your electrical system and cause your headlights to malfunction. Can you wire headlights to a toggle switch? Yes, you can wire headlights to a toggle switch. Can you ground headlights to the battery? Yes, you can ground headlights to the battery. Do headlights need a relay? A relay is an electrically operated switch that can carry a much higher current than the switch in the car's dashboard. Can you use the negative battery terminal as a ground? Doing this will provide a ground for your headlights and will help to ensure that they function properly. Where is the